If you pull the fire alarms at my house, you are going to get in big trouble. You are going to get arrested. And you will end up like Jonathan, who pulled Dale's fire alarms. That's why you don't pull my fire alarms. Also, don't tamper with them. Like, if you are coming into my room and you are getting my screwdriver, and if I have the fire alarm on the wall and you are unscrewing the fire alarm, that is a no-no. You don't do that. Not only that you are tampering with my alarm, but you are using my screwdriver without permission, and that is unacceptable. And you are tampering with my alarm, which is a felony. So don't do that. Since I own the alarm, I am the only one that can tamper with my device, not you. Unless you are helping me out with swapping alarms, but if I don't give you permission to tamper with it, leave it alone. Same goes for other people, and if they have alarms in their house, you don't go tampering with those unless they give you permission. You don't tamper with any alarms, especially in public. You don't ever tamper with those. It is going to make me sad. It is going to make other people sad. And you don't want to do that. Take my words of advice very, 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 very seriously. Bye.